In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display user details in a Firebase React app. We'll keep this clear and practical. The goal is to show a signed-in user's basic information, like their name and email, and then enrich it with custom profile details you store yourself. The key building block is Firebase Authentication's on-auth state changed listener, which tells your app when someone signs in or out. From there, you'll read basic fields directly from the authenticated user, and then fetch any extra details from Cloud Firestore or the real-time database using the user's unique ID, also known as the UID. Start by setting up a place in your React app to hold user data, such as component or context state for the current user, a loading flag, and an optional profile object. When the component mounts, attach the on-auth state changed listener. This listener fires immediately with the current state, and again whenever the user logs in or logs out. Remember to clean up the listener when the component unmounts to prevent memory leaks. When the listener gives you a user, you can read basic details right away. Common properties include UID, display name, email, and photo URL. Some fields might be null depending on the provider, so handle that gracefully in your UI. If on-auth state changed reports no user, set your state accordingly so the interface shows a sign-in prompt or a logged-out view. Next, fetch your custom profile. Use the UID as the key, so in Firestore you might store a document like profiles go-wide, or in the real-time database, a path like users yib-wide. Read that record after the user is available. If you need live updates when the profile changes, subscribe to it. Otherwise, fetch it once. If the profile doesn't exist yet, render sensible defaults and consider creating it right after registration or on first login. While data is loading, show a spinner or skeleton so the transition feels smooth. If a fetch fails, display a friendly message and optionally retry. On sign-out, clear both the basic user state and the custom profile to prevent old data from flashing. Finally, think about security and structure. Use Firebase security rules to ensure users can read and write only their own profiles. Avoid storing sensitive information on the client. Keep your profile schema simple and stable and prefer small, well-named fields for predictable rendering. With this setup, your React app listens for authentication, shows basic user details immediately, and seamlessly loads custom information keyed by the UID from Firestore or the real-time database.